Welcome to our channel. This is Douglas. Many people think electroplating is a very easy, like a kid learning ABC in kindergarten. As you've seen that in YouTube, their many electroplating works are shine and bright. However, there are more. Several factors can significantly affect the results of electroplating. Today we have bring you 3 samples with different findings and share with you one by one regarding to their plating recipe and process. First of all, we take a look with the crab claw. We process it at lower current densities and higher room temperature. It produces smoother finishes and uniform thickness. Second, we move to the surface of monkey. We can easy to see the surface is rougher and some forming like chicken pox. The reason is that we use higher current and undergone with lower room temperature. However, when we did in higher temperatures than 50 Celsius, it can also lead to poor adherence and other defects in the plating. Bear in mind, not too low, not too high. So most of factory nowadays, they will use pulse plating technology or reverse pulse plating technology to handle the above problem. There are many advantages for this technology, such as deposits are denser, porosity is lower, deposit grains are finer, tensile strength of plating is higher. Unfortunately, it could be difficult to use in DIY since it needs special requirements like twisted welding cable or coaxial cables. Come back to the third sample here. For better finishes, we had increased the conductivity of electrolyte with lower resistance. It processed under 25 Celsius degree room temperature. We also add some polyvinyl alcohol, PVA, as leveling agents. Finally, we are happy see the copper hole is reduced significantly, become flat and smooth. Of course, you can put some gelatin if you can find it in your kitchen. I think that is more easy. In conclusion of today, electroplating is a complex process influenced by numerous factors. Optimizing these variables can help achieve desired outcomes, such as improved adhesion, smoothness, and durability of the plated layer. If you have further questions or comments on electroplating, feel free to share. See you again soon.